Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Here we have a 1/64 scale Toyota Sprinter Trueno from Inno64 brand. This is the packaging, and we get the acrylic box like this. Inno64 Japan Special Edition 1/64 AE86 Sprinter Trueno. There is Inno64. Over here Gulliver 64, Facebook Inno models, and Inno64 made in China. And this is warning. This is a Toyota Sprinter Trueno AE86 white or black with extra wheels. Alright, we got spare tires, Japan Special Edition. Okay, let's take this out. Oh, okay, we get spare tires here with the black rims and black tires and axles. Nice. Let's see. Japan Special Edition Inno Toyota Sprinter Trueno AE86 Hachiroku Toyota Sprinter Trueno. Alright, in my opinion, this brand has the best casting of Toyota Sprinter Trueno AE86 than other brands because of this fantastic details. So let's take attention about the front detail. You can see clearly it has like the plastic insert for the pop-up headlights. The fog lamps are made of clear plastic too. The grille is really good, neatly detailed and textured. Over here it says Trueno in white color. This is the plate number on Japanese or kanji, very easy to discern. All the front parts are very well detailed. Now let's see the front hood. Wow, the front hood is detailed with carbon motif and texture. I can feel the lines when touch it. And this wiper, neatly detailed. The front window is clear. We can see inside the car. The interior has black color. There is right hand drive steering wheel, very nice. Alright, then let's look at the left side details. There we go. I see this sign lamp here. The door lines are detailed. The handle painted on black and detailed too. It says Trueno here, very cool. Let's look. This side mirror or rear view mirror have reflection here. You can see that. Oh, it has reflection. So cool, like the real rear view mirror. The tires are made of rubber and detailed or textured. We can also see the rims are detailed well. I see the gunmetal here and chrome finish outer lip. The disc brake inside. Wow, that's really splendid detail. The wheels can roll but not smooth as another brand like MiniGP, Hot Wheels and other. So how about the rear? Let's talk about the rear details. Okay, we can see the Japanese plate number here in kanji or Japanese writing style. Okay, and number 922 500, and look at the ducktail, very clean. The brake lights and tail lights are made of clear red plastic here. The exhaust and muffler here, so detailed in painted on silver. Yeah, very cool. And let's check the back window. Here we get the rear wiper detail like this, and the fogger detail and texture in rear window, but we still can see the rear interior. Okay, nicely worked. And the right side almost the same with the left side except for the fuel cap here. Okay, you can see that. So the fuel cap in right side, that's so good. Let's see the interior. This is interior rear view mirror, very nice. Alright my friend, this is my review today about the Inno64 Toyota Sprinter Trueno AE86 with the usual black and white color. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. Until next time.